The last thing to discuss is how to use the equation editor to make accessible equations. First, let me scroll down to the section that talks about calculating a dog's age and using the formula of one dog year multiplying it by 7, we can figure out how old the 5-year-old corgi is in human years. So what I'll do is go up to the top and look for the Insert Math Equation option in the text editor. And I can just simply type the numbers and the symbols. So 5 times 7 equals 35. And then select Insert and save the page. And that equation is accessible to a screen reader. So let me pull up an example of a screen reader and navigate to this particular equation. As soon as I initiate the screen reader, though, it's going to start talking at me because it's going to communicate navigational elements as well as the actual text. So here we go.
Loading NVDA. Please wait. Use show OK button. Sample Canvas page about dogs. Clickable banner. Skip to content link. Clickable toggle. Heading level. Graphic image showing 6 different breeds of dogs. Heading level 2 steps. 5 use built-in equation editor. Out of list heading level. HTTPS. Bullet French Bulldog. Bullet Bulldog. Out of list heading Heading level 2 the easy calculation. The easy way to calculate it based on an assumption that dogs. Heading level 3 unlabeled graphic to get missing image descriptions. 5 times 7 equals 35.
So what I would like to do now is give you an example of how some more complex equations can be read by a screen reader if they are entered using Canvas's math editor. So I've gone to a page that I've already prepared with some more complex equations. So let's look at the distant equation and how that's read.
Heading level 2 distance equation. D equals the square root of open paren x sub 1 minus x sub 2 close paren squared plus open paren y sub 1 minus y sub 2 close paren squared.
So whenever possible, please try to use the math equation editor in Canvas to communicate your mathematical notations and equations and expressions as opposed to handwriting. Handwriting math presents several accessibility issues that would be easier to avoid if at all possible.